Hello friends, today what we are going to do is to replace the outer tierodend of 2013 Nissan Altima 5th generation. For this, remove the 5 lug nuts 21mm after placing it on the jack stand. Remove the tire. What I do now is the front passenger side tierodend and do it the same method driver side also. You can see that the bushing on the joint side of the tierodend has broken and all the grease has come out. So it is working very badly now. This is a new tierodend, Sloop from Taiwan. It's a brand I used here. It is a good quality product from the upmarket brand. Make a mark like this on the outer tierodend and inner tierodend when fitting the new tierodend for correct alignment and fit. But even if you are all done, you should get the 3D alignment done by an outside alignment shop. Hey guys, after holding with a 19mm spanner, loosen the jam nut with a 22mm spanner as follows. Okay, now the jam nut is loose and done. Now fit it back in the marked position. Okay, now to remove the 17mm nut of the tierodend, remove the quarter pin for that because it has not been removed since the vehicle is brought it. There is a rust on it, so use W40 and after removing the rust, remove it like this. Also remove the nut with 19mm socket and breaker bar I am using here. After fixing the nut, just back and try to remove the tierodend with a hammer, small some bit. I find it very difficult to remove this tierodend because since they brought this car never replaced the tierodend. But now I tried it with this ball joint extractor. It very easy, very simple, and now we can extract the joint with the joint extractor. Well, we have just removed the tierodend from the steering knuckle and a short video of the removal I could not shoot correctly. Clean the steering knuckle area like this and then remove the outer tierodend from the inner tierodend. Just rotate by hand. Okay, the tierodend has been removed. You can see there is no difference between the old tierodend and the new, the exact same. Now you can fit the new tierodend by rotating it like this and fixing it. How many times it was rotated before while removing the tierodend? Do it that same rotation time till the jam nut marked the marked position. Just a touch of anti-seize grease to prevent rust, but this is optional and not mandatory. Insert the tierodend bolt properly into the steering knuckle. After tightening the nut of 17 mm by hand, tight in the torque range of 25 foot-pounds. Okay, the tierodend has been successfully fitted in the steering knuckle area. Now try to put the safety pin properly. After holding the tierodend with the 17 mm spanner and do it 22 mm jam nut and use the torque 70 foot-pound. So we have successfully fitted the outer tierodend. Now you must go to the outer 3D alignment shop and get the alignment done.